Absolutely, Shabana Maba. Let them write an essay on it. We'll have a lot of parents work here, and it's good to see a lot of new faces here. So just an upgrade. There have been some good progress. There have been, although we in pandemic, we had our good times. Our students, especially, whatever we could sneak in. I still remember the outing and the Pauna camp, and hopefully we'll have more of these outings as we go ahead. And you've been a absolutely amazing community, amazing people. Today's session, hopefully, will divide it into three very simple parts. Part one is just journal conversations. Probably I wanted to, just talk to you about the vision, the goals, and as I see a lot of new faces and new parents coming in, you will probably want to know what's the culture like. Of course, I could not invite every one of you at coffee at WeWork, which is absolutely the dream. We soon go. So I'll update you on that front as well. The second part, or primarily as I get few more people joining in, is about the curriculum, the program, the timetable, the links, the Google Classroom, all of it. That is technical resource part. And the final part, hopefully, is where you can let me know your perspectives, your ideas. From I see people from very varied field, people who've been traveling absolutely, have been, winged and caged for the last 2.5 years. Work from home actually is more work. I think most of you will agree, right? It's absolutely easier to go outside and not do the kind of programs we did, because at least there was a break without, in a regular program. Here it is like completely you're 24/7 online. I don't know if I mentioned it last time to you. I was doing a workshop for some team in Dubai on a book review, and I said, we are now called the zombies. So you remember the zombies, the Walking Dead? Now we are. I literally live on Zoom, so we are zombies. And I've seen people reply with automated messages. People say hello and they say, "I'm so sorry for your loss," and say, "No, I just said a Eid Mubarak or a hello," because we're used to people around. One thing that I wanted to share with you before I begin is what kind of conversations we at home makes a big difference with our children. आप अगर खाली pandemic की अफसोस की there are a lot of course we can't shy away from the problems. बहुत सारी मैयतें हुई हैं, बहुत सारे problems हुए हैं, people have lost their job, but for children, they have been confined inside the house for almost close to now 1.5, 18 months. Your conversations have to be positive. I know you can't shy away from political conversations or pandemic conversations, but what you speak makes a huge difference. We are always blessed whenever there is a problem with regards to medicine or thing. I know who I should reach to. I'm not talking about you, Dr. Mumtaz. I'm talking about Sharif Bhai, because he gives us hope with football and oranges. But I'm sure he gets his lessons from you. You want to add something? So,
no comments.
Okay. See, women can't take husbands' compliments. That today we have learned work from home is very stressful for us husbands also now.
Over a period of year, I have learned you're so biased.
We will not record that. We'll edit that part. Nobody heard it, right? Okay.
Yeah.
Right. Yeah. Absolutely. I think, as parents, I have, absolutely grown together. We've seen the highs and the lows. And some of you, welcome to the new families, the new children. I'm excited to meet them. So what I'll do is I will start with a small story, a small conversation starter. Very interesting conversation. I was reading a book, and in the book, it was mentioned that there was a specific painting in a friend's house. The painting was of a dilapidated boat, a boat which is stuck on sand. And the idea was, why is boat not sailing? So the author says that I spoke to my friend. I said, why have you such a difficult picture to begin with? No, why can't there be a more positive picture of a sailing boat, of a yacht, of a cruise? Why this? And he said, I did not notice there was a small comment written inside, somewhere in the poster. Probably this is more like a symbolic photo of the painting. It says, the tide is always coming back. And he said, that one perspective changed everything I was thinking about the world. And this is how we see it. While everything has been challenging, our students have been studying virtually, but the tide is always coming back. Sooner or later, we will be on the field. Hopefully, we'll be getting together. Hopefully, with all due precautions, better hygiene, the students will be making sure that we are on ground, talking to them at WeWork, on sports field. And that is the hope I begin my entire academic year 2021 with. Also, as I say about 2021, This is a monumental landmark year, not just for me, for a lot of people associated, you as parents, some of the educators, because we began a journey almost 10 years back. Yes, it took me 2 schools before I could say that the journey is to the culmination point, but the entire program, this is the first year of my grade 10 batch. And that makes me so proud because the grade 10 is a hope. Grade 10 is the credibility. Grade 10 are the testimonials. Grade 10 are also the guinea pigs. And you have taken the leap of faith with me. But I think not a single dua in Ramadan went by where I did not make them as a priority for my supplications that this is a grade that will determine the future of what we're trying to do. So all of you, Abdul Majid Bhai, all the parents out there, Shabana Appa and Imran Bhai, the Qazi family, Shamila Appa and Asif Bhai, all of you, Saklain's father, Bashir Bhai, I think of each one of you now that I've got Nakib Bhai and the parents who've joined me and those who I just, you are the first parents who actually have faith and hope we really see the tide coming back. The idea of what Golden Sparrow means to us is the fact that we are trying to create a community feeling. What is this community all about? You all are part of the community. And when I say community, I have something else very interesting to share. And probably these are small, stories, small ideas that I just wanted to, recall before I actually go on to say, are we going to speak about education? But this is for me the best education I can help you, I can teach you with. So, I just unshare it. Something interesting. And I thought I'll just start with something very, very simple. It's a part of my goal setting session I do. And these are, of course, again, for the LinkedIn, I'll tell you the names of the new group. Every time you set up a goal, we set up these 6 goals. It's called FISHES. It's a very easy acronym. So there is a goal always that involves a family. One of my mentors, Professor Harish Chaudhary from IIT Delhi, he always said something very interesting. And he says that world-class education without world-class values will give world-class criminals. And he would always put Lalit Modi or Mehul Choksi or all those people who have taken money from these banks and gone away. They were very brilliant people, right? Oh, who's the Kingfisher guy? Okay, Mr. Malia. But if you don't have values, if you don't inculcate the right, as we say, the character building values, it's of no use. That is where the idea of Golden Sparrow starts with. How can we make sure that these students who come out are proud? We are very particular. I never say that marks are not important. I say it is along with the grades and the marks, I want these areas. Intellectual, I think my children are bored when I talk about books to them, but I keep talking about how do you read? As I say, in the pandemic, all those who did not read, and I mean all of you, Ashfaq, you included, if you did not read, it is not the lack of time, it is the lack of willpower. And I think I can't speak about the parents, but I make sure that my students will pick up a book and read. There is a specific read aloud period that we had included last year. We've graduated this year. There is a public speaking program which includes reading as an important part right from grade 1. Also, the social skills, the etiquettes of talking, the etiquettes of meeting people, etiquettes of how to keep your cameras on Zoom. I think a lot of my parents have to learn that. I know most of you are not so ugly looking unless Aziz Bhai is on the camera. No, but otherwise you can keep your cameras on. Not that, we'll be scared of you. But social etiquettes are part. Virtual schools have taught us that it is very relevant and our children should be less shy. I know, Shruti ma'am is thinking Ahmed and Shabana ma'am is thinking of some names, but I think we have learned and the kids have started to speak about it. Right. Finally, 2 more things about the goal setting part is health. We spoke a lot about physical health. I had some very run-ins with my senior kids when I got a physical trainer, but nevertheless, we enjoyed our physical training program. There was a mental health week last December. And the concept is Golden Sparrow is a small team. And I say a small community of like-minded people. Most of us know each other on first name basis. There are children who we had personal cases. I'll refrain from naming the kids, but each of your child is very important to me and the entire team. Any challenge that they face, do not hesitate to reach out. Earlier you reached out, even now. Economics, well, we all understand how important it is to be value with money, right? That is why I've taken a Gujarati to teach about business studies. And what we have done this year is we've included business studies, or rather money management, from grade 1 onwards. You will see more preparedness, much better work. and the fact that you trusted, when I made sure that a number of hours are less. Most of you came back and some of you had personal question. I said, see, I would be very happy to increase the number of hours that helps you feel value for money. I think you do not see us that way. Trust is both way. While I kept the mental health according to the number of hours, we made sure what we do on those hours is very fruitful, and I've seen that happen in the children. It could be the SDG classes or it could be the ICT classes, and each one of them grown, and these are the goals. Spiritually, while I understand it is a personal choice, but we made sure, as I say, I link spirituality to good manners and personality, how they speak. For that matter, I had some very good results. I had a children come and say, sir, I don't know, I'm not prepared enough. And that is what makes me very happy. We don't want to create world-class cheaters or copiers. Rather, we want to create people with good manners and morals. And that is how the entire team has broken up. Enough of my conversation. I think I've just a couple of slides. I thought I'll have a little icebreaker with all of you. So I've got some little small starters. If you indulge with me, I'll be very happy. Use your chat, open up your screens, and let me know what of these community members mean. All right. Basically, these are acronyms. I'll skip this part of Camel Library, which I'll come in the end. I'll speak about this a little later. Right. What does this mean? If ever you've done chatting, what does A/L, S or L means? Please let me know in your chats. And whoever mentions it, I know you only knew Orchid or you never went on social media. Anybody who went on a social media in dinosaur years would know what A/S, maybe Ashfaq knows it. Right. Oh, Israr sir, I did not know how much chatting he was doing. Right. Probably Aziz bhai, don't be scared. It's okay. I will skip the part when you write down. Both Aziz are there. And okay, there's Aziz Khatri also. I'm speaking to you, Aziz Khatri bhai now. Right. You all can mention that how much you spent time on Orkut finding friends until you found your spouses. Okay. OMG, I think if you don't know, I will have a special session with you. So don't have to write it down and don't, let me know that LOL. I think you all know this. Wait, I'm coming to the real terminology. Thank you, Ashfaq. Yeah, Ashfaq, I know you belong to Wilson, and that's the kind of lingos we use in Wilson College. IDK, what does IDK stand for? Faisal says, I don't know, very much related to what Faisal sir from Kolkata says. Very correct. All right, somebody knows very well, right? I think no, Ghazala ma'am has something very interesting to say. What does this one mean? Now, if you don't know this, go speak to your teenagers. Israr sir is on a run. I think the right counselor that I know,
Talk to you later.
Oh, that's smart. Some of you are really, really millennials. I thought I was only speaking to old uncle and aunties here. Tell me, what does OMW mean? Okay, so if you look at this, I've started on my way, on my work. Wonderful. Thank you, Shabana ma'am and Faisal sir. So this is the 90s acronym. So thank you for all of you answered. I know you're 40 plus. Go get your vaccination. Thank you. The government of India allowed you now. Please go and get yourself. I don't know, Dr. Mumtaz can tell you which one is better, but that's not the debate. All right. Okay, Alfia ma'am want to mention what is ROFL. Please tell me what is ROFL. And these are the answers that probably you all know now. Anybody want to speak about what is ROFL? And now, no wonder she wants to feel that she's the youngest teacher in the team and wants to feel good. Right? Shruti ma'am, that's directed to you. Alfia ma'am wants you to feel. Oh, look at Sumaya ma'am. There she is. And welcome Sumaya ma'am. She'll be the parent liaison team member now. And thank you so much. Aparna ma'am. All right. So it's an Andheri lingo. We Navi Mumbaikars are away from it. We don't laugh on our floors because, we are still looking at our lovely floors in Navi Mumbai. Our houses are better than the suburb ones. Now I've got 3 lingos. I'll be proud if you tell me what do they mean. And this is my education to all of you. What does PAW stand for? Okay. All right. Bashir bhai, please learn these because they'll be used against you. They say that, right, in law. Whatever you say will be used against you. All right. I'm very sure most of you are not aware of this. PIR, right? Israr's the Pearls of Wisdom. No, we are not doing Rahiq al-Maktoum or one of those books here. So it is nothing what you're thinking about. POS. Now, welcome to the world where your students tell each other what they're talking about. Thank you, Alfia ma'am, to letting me know that you're still not a teenager. Oh, yes, Shazia ma'am. Well, having a spouse like me helps you to become so intelligent, right? Okay. So this is what your teenagers are writing when you ever accidentally barge into their rooms when they're talking or friends are around. PAW, our parents are watching. PIR, our parents are in the room. And POS is right there. Look at my father, or like my mother. And trust me, if you have teenagers in your house, these are acronyms you better know. If it's written on the screen, it is referring to you, and your teenager is saying, just please quietly go out. So on that note, we are talking to a completely new group of children. Thank you for allowing me to train, mentor your children, and I hope they will use this acronym. Do not worry, we were different teenagers, they are different age and group, but my role here and entire team I include, is to make sure that our children, and I'll not go into a lot of conversations around what I do, but we are talking to a group of children, allow them space. When you're taking a session from next week, we have started earlier than most of the school. If you realize, I still got some children, in especially the elder ones who know me, said, sir, also why are we doing at 7 and not 14? Give them 1 week of space. You all give yourself space. Don't panic. If your internet is not working, if the links are not working, I'll have Faisal sir explain to what I'm talking about links. Now you will get a detailed version of where we go and what we are doing. This is the first of my presentation, and what I'm asking you to look at, everything will be shared with you. You'll have Christina ma'am and Sumaya ma'am over the next few days. Let's say by Saturday, you will get all the Zoom links and the Google Classrooms. Any one of you who are not much aware of how Google Classroom works or what to do Zoom Classroom, we will give you a short videos or explanatory videos of what happens and how do you log on. You still not comfortable, please reach us and let us know. We'll have an exclusive training for the parents on each of these programs. If you look at this entire program, I'll give you the entire planner also. I start the entire year. The year starts with grade 1. We have added an online program, and the reason I'm adding this is all the classes that are Golden Sparrow physical school are in even numbers this year. So 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10 makes it easy for you to understand, because while the pandemic, the classes may be combined, the students are there, but we will have occasions where sports will be there, outings will be there, and especially for grade 9 and 10, there'll be physical classes very soon, as soon as we get the permission from WeWork to conduct the classes. Quickly starting with grade 1, there are some 5 students in grade 1 as we get started with. This is how your planner looks like. Do not worry, you can take a screenshot, but you will get a proper planner as soon as we open the forums, the WhatsApp group, and the Google Classrooms for you. You will be assigned a homeroom teacher, a name for the class, and a distinct color code. But more importantly, grade 1 onwards, you do not have classes on Monday. We still follow the 4-day week, 3 classes per day. Easier, relax, and don't worry. We promise to cover the curriculum without a child being burdened or without shortchanging any curriculum. Every time you'll see a format, the homeroom teacher starts the class, unless there are other teachers who we have to adjust. There are classes, subjects, including social studies. We have alternate classes for arts, and there's a quiz. A quiz could be anything from journal knowledge to the world around, to contemporary news, to something about tongue twisters, riddle. The teachers will facilitate, the students will come up, and we are trying to prepare our students for Olympiads and external competition. SDG has been a very important part of our program. So you will have sustainable development goal, a United Nations 17 goals, and we start with goal number 1 across the grade. As I mentioned, business and ICT again will be alternate weeks, and you will have money management for business studies and computers. Hopefully after a month, we'll introduce Scratch for all children. I know Scratch is difficult. That is why I'm not introducing early on for those who do not use computers. Now, it's my personal request to parents that at some point invest in a good laptop or a desktop for your children. Today, you can get refurbished ones, 2 top-end ones, but these online classes, these hybrid classes are the future, are the norm, and I think it is one wise investment that you as a parent can do. Mobiles are good enough, but the moment they have exposure to a wider screen, they can type it down. It makes much more for a child's growth than a mobiles program. Parents, do write down your comments if I'm going too fast, if you want me to slow down, if you want to explain something, and I'll run through the timetable. Is that okay with everybody? Please give me the pulse of what I'm going through. Let me know. Just generic timetable. I'm not going through each one of them. So Fatima ma'am is a grade 2 teacher. The names are different. So all those who were in earlier grades is an upgrade. So now it's Edison. And when I say grade 2, it also includes elements of higher grade. We have a concept of combining classes. It's the golden sparrow pedagogy. So some of you say, oh, is my child not in grade 5? Is she in grade 6? Or is my child not in 9? No, we combine classes because we believe a child, we have labeled the classes. But if a child is, and last year we've shown that it is possible for a child to learn languages, learn mathematics better if they're in a combined group. And that is what we're following. Again, you have your entire science and maths being handled by one teacher. You have got English, you've got life skills, you've got public speaking program, and you've got social, SDG, and rest of the classes as we go ahead. Grade 4 and onwards, it's the earlier Newton. Now they have gone to Galileo. Shazia ma'am is the homeroom teacher, and these are the subjects don't change. It's the upgradation of each classes. Now the teacher changes for science and maths is Anubha ma'am, and then we have got Anubhuti ma'am for English, and Shabana ma'am is Shabana ma'am also is the mentor for business studies across. And we will hopefully with parents we'll have these sessions on business studies. Alfia ma'am is the mentor for SDG, and Aparna ma'am is the mentor for all arts. Grade 6 is now Mendeleev, the periodic table, and Alfia ma'am is the homeroom teacher. This class is going to have a lot of blasts. They start with the first class. Again, Tuesdays to Fridays. This is the timetable. Mondays are off. So you have your 3 days break for until grade 6. Again, we introduce Malika ma'am comes in for their science. We've got maths, life skill, public speaking, arts, and quiz. Grade 8, Shruti ma'am is a homeroom teacher supported by Shabana ma'am, and Tesla is the name. The Elon Musk Tesla cars, Nicholas Tesla, a fantastic physicist, and the code is red. Again, same classes, but now you got Faisal sir taking a specific ICT class, and we divide them into business classes also. So there's specific ones. What we have not added is an SDG class, grade 8 onwards, which will be combined with social and SDG together. My final class is Lincoln, which is primarily all grade 10 right now. It's the class where we're going to spend a lot of physical program also. And if you look at these two classes, we begin from Monday to Thursday. Fridays are off for the higher grades. That does not mean, please tell all those on Lincoln, they might be stretched and they should be willing to work harder. Thanks to my teachers, the effort they put in, we've added one more extra session for them. It's a session that starts at 1 o'clock, ends at 2 o'clock. The Shruti ma'am, along with someone else will be joining her with regards to science and maths classes. And 11 and 12 are the other classes, which includes English, public speaking. Shabana ma'am is going to head, and she's going to guide Anubhuti ma'am as well. ICT, social, and we have got Aparna ma'am for arts, and there's quiz. This is a class which is following the NIOS curriculum, and I'll share the other curriculum also with you. Right. No, I did not skip. All the odd classes are online programs, which also are running. But the idea is most of you would be a part of the hybrid class. Even if you're an odd grade 5, 7, it's a similar timetable. We just mirror it across in the even part right now. Fair enough. Any questions for the timetable? How will you get it? Any suggestions? Please go ahead. We'll give ourselves a minute and we'll take it forward. So fair enough. So you will get this timetable. Faisal, if you are around, can you share how are we created? So last year we were giving you the Zoom links. We'll still give the Zoom links, but this time we've added a layer of extra security for a parent, which we are starting only with the higher grade 9 and 10 Lincoln, and rest of you will add after a month. So we get used to going. All of you will have to register to the Zoom with your registered email IDs. That's very, very important. Faisal sir, if you're around, you want to share a screen and show how does the timetable get integrated with your Zoom classes?
Yeah, sure. Jazakallah Dawood bhai. Assalamu alaikum parents. We are really excited to welcome you to this new session of GSH 21-22. And yeah, let me share with you my screen. And okay, so before I explain this, let me tell you that the steps I'm going to describe are very easy, and it's very convenient for you to follow. What you have to do is, step one is open your WhatsApp, go to the group, your specific group. Uh, the groups have been named according to the class. So I'm just explaining for the higher grades, that is Lincoln. So in the group description, you will find this link. You can access this from your mobile or from your PC. Just click on this link and you get this page. So at a glance, you can have a look at your timetable, your homeroom teacher, like your class name, the admin contact, the Google Classroom links, everything is here. Now let's say Monday morning at 10 a.m. you have a science class. You just need to go here and click here. And that's it. You will enter your Zoom classroom. The classroom will not open here because I'm already into another room. So I'll just cancel this. So this is how you enter your classes. You just go to the subject name, click on it, click on the link, and there you are. Now let's come to the Google Classroom part. If you have to join this class, we have the class link and we have the class code. So it's not necessary for you to use the class code. You can just click on this link and there you are. You get this screen and you just have to, you will get this message. You are joining the class as a student. So just click on join class and you will be into this class. So this is as simple as that. So this sheet that we are going to share with you in the description of your WhatsApp groups is you can navigate from here to anywhere into the world of Golden Sparrow Hub Schooling. All your information for class, Google Classroom, the contacts, everything you will get here. So, and if we would like to pass you any information, then we are just going to fill these cells. So this will be your landing page for the entire session. I hope I was clear to clear.
Yes, Faisal, you are. Go ahead.
Yes.
Yeah. So if you have any questions, then you can come back to me. Do you have any questions?
Right. Thank you so much, Faisal, sir. And being a technology background, Faisal is a part of the entire technology team. He was working with CTS. He's into technical writing, and he's from Kolkata. He's still there. And this is wonderful to have additional team. And I think I've got a lot of fathers who are very technically sound. I'll keep relying on you. And Dr. Mumtaz has a question, Faisal, sir. How to do it on a laptop? I think, go ahead, just explain. Is it possible from both, right?
Yes, ma'am. I am doing this from my laptop. So from your laptop, you can open web.whatsapp.com. So let me show this.
We'll also share the same link in the emails also, just in case people don't use web one. We'll use it from the email link also.
Oh yes, and you can also save this link in your browser. You can favorite it, and this gets saved. So you can either open it from your email, from your WhatsApp, from your favorite, from anywhere. So on your laptop, you can just go and click this star, add a bookmark, grade 9 and 10 Google Sheet, done. So it gets added to your favorite list. Here it is. Okay. Does that answer your question, Mumtaz ma'am?
Right. I'm sure a lot of parents are also intimidated. What is it? Are we going to learn now more technology? But I think we're only rolling out for the higher grades, which are my 10 students in Lincoln, grade 9 and 10. And slowly, do not worry, all of you parents, fathers and mothers will be hand-holding you, will be guiding you. If there's any challenge, we're always there. We're adding more people also, on the team so that we get it. Yes, Faisal.
Also, yeah. If the parents can just key in their email ID, I will share with this sheet with them right away, and they can access it right now.
Right. No, what I'll do is I'll make sure all the email IDs are in an Excel sheet, and I'll share that with you. That's much better. I've got the email IDs of the parents, the Lincoln especially, and easier. Now, even though what we're going to
Don't
do,
open.
we're going to share the same thing in Google ID. Christina ma'am is going to be a liaison person. Christina ma'am, can you say hello to the team?
Hi everyone. Good evening.
Good evening, Christina ma'am. So she's going to make sure that all of you get your Google codes, all of you get your Zoom IDs, and if there's any trouble, do not hesitate. We'll make sure the admin groups are open for some time, and you will message us, and we will guide you individually. As I said, the first week is more of us settling down as parents rather than our kids. Our kids are very comfortable with the online world now. You know, you did not know the acronyms; they know them already. They know PW, parents over shoulder. So it's for us. The first week is for us to settle down. Are we good to go on the entire program? Can I go to the third part of resources? You know, you can still give me thumbs up, so I know that you all are still there with me and not gone on to your 9 o'clock lunch yet. All right, thank you so much, most of you. Yes, right, Imran Bhai, Sabia, Kasim Bhai, Afifa ma'am, fantastic. Now, with regards to that, thank you, Faisal, thank you, Christina. This is where we need, you know, the entire team understanding on what page we are. What we are looking at is finally how are the resources being shared. When I say I got a parent question also on the group, and one of the things I truly believe is there's a lot of transparency with regards to everything here. So please do not hesitate. If you have any question, do not hesitate. Send me a question in the group itself, and you'll get a reply hopefully immediately, at least 24 hours within that. Thank you, Madhya ma'am, for calling us upgraded school. No, I'm happy to see that messages. All right. What are we doing with regards to the curriculum? I've just shared a sample PDF with you. We've got the best curriculum. We've got a good program, the Elevate program, which gives us. But what we have gone beyond is we will be sharing these resources on the Google Classrooms. So each class, I'll just run through one example. So this is your book that we'll be referring to, Cambridge Primary Book 6. All right. You will get to know which book are you using. If you log into Google Classroom, you can download these books. We made it easier for the children. The book can be downloaded. The teachers will be teaching. They'll be making presentations, showing videos, using these PDFs, but you will have a liberty of just using the online books to begin with. Can you take printout? You can take printout of the books. Can you buy original books? Absolutely. You can find, I'll share the vendor's number. They're available on Flipkart and Amazon. And no, we don't make money from selling rubbers, erasers, and pencils. So you can find whatever it is, the books are available online, and hopefully you should be able to get that. Simple, the lesson plans are given, the teachers are working. This entire Ramadan and post, I think, it was wonderful to work with the teachers. They're all excited, ready, but this is how the books will look like. Very interesting choice of book. We had a lot of conversation. These are the books that you got. It's English book I'm just sharing with you. You'll get your respective books. This is a maths book. As we go higher, we've decided to switch to the Indian authors. That's how we go. So until grade 6 or 7, you will get these books. And then 7th onwards or 8th onwards, we are using Indian author books. And 9th and 10th, we use the NIS. Be surprised if suddenly books are devoid of colors. They are, suddenly you will see 500 pages book. Please don't be shocked. You and I know हम लोग सब CBSE or state board के ही हैं, right? So don't come and suddenly start speaking Oxford English to me. We know I'm the same word, but I know these are heavy books when we go to 9th and 10th. We also introduce a book. You will enjoy these books. It's called Candle series. This is a series that Danish, Israr sir, we all have worked a lot on last 3 years. IIT Delhi is collaborating with us to use them in their school program, and I'm proud that this part of books as a part of Golden Sparrow on life skills. All these books will be uploaded by Saturday. That's Christina ma'am's promise. So, you will hold her to account if you don't get it, but you'll be able to see them by Saturday on the codes. Are we good to go? Any questions, any suggestions, please don't hesitate. We'll open up. Right. So these are the resources. Can I quickly ask Shabana ma'am to say hello to everybody? And because all the parents, you know her better than me. She's the one liaising, speaking to all of you. And she's the agony aunt for my elder kids and good friend of all the mothers out there.
Hello, everybody. It's so good to see you all. And well, pandemic has been tough on everyone. Be it loss of a loved one or economic instability or maybe mental trials. It has touched and tested us all in some way or other. And trust me, for Golden Sparrow too, it was a huge test. Imagine we were all ready to start at WeWork, okay? And we had our model all ready, gearing and ready to go. And all of a sudden, the first year itself, we had to start online. It's like The entire parameter had changed, but the result had to be the same, giving the best to the children. And we jumped headlong into it. And what were the two main pillars that we had was that our team and you as parents. Y'all always have had faith in us and y'all were there with us, and that's what we are counting on again. And the team is all here, all ready, all geared up to be with you. So please continue your support, your prayers, and that's what we're counting for. So thank you so much. Looking forward for another beautiful year with you all. And over to you, Daud bhai.
Thank you so much, Shabana ma'am. And all of you, I think we all
we have
accessible.
a question.
Yes, Faisal, go ahead.
Nadi, we have a question from a parent.
Please.
We have a question from a parent. He's asking about the breaks in the schedule.
Thank you so much, Nakib
Please
bhai,
clarify
one of a
about
new
that.
parent all the way from Belgaum. That's exactly my last planner here. I'm sharing, and this entire recording will be shared. So in case you missed out, in case you want to hear us again, you can watch it again. I don't think you will like watching me twice though, but sometimes you enjoy Arnab Goswami also over and over again. So I will share the planner now. I think that's the question you're referring to. So this is the last thing I want to share with you all. Of course, my design team headed by Salim sir is very good. You'll get a more illustrated planner right now, but this is a school planner, and this is much better. Something that we did not give you last year, and I keep saying that we are a work in progress, and we'll keep improving thanks to all of you support and your patience. This planner is an academic planner that I share with the teachers who write it down. But as a parent, you will get an entire planner, idea what to plan and how to plan. We starting from this next week, which right plus or minus you get breaks and all, so that's how the weeks extend. But we are looking at a 40-week hour. To make it easy, we will start from next week, which is the first week, 7th June, correct? And then we end up right before Ramadan next year, which is the last week of March, and that is where you're completely the first week. There are no holidays, so please make sure that there is no family wedding, there is no guest visit, there is not a single holiday. And I'm surprised, I think, I don't know, the engineer must have made it, and I'm sure I did it. The first holiday, deserving, you'll really make duas and look forward to Eid now, because that's a long holiday you get, which is a 3-day pack holiday. Plan all your Ratnagiri trips, and I'm repeating, plan all your, wherever you're planning weddings, Ashfaq, all the weddings, please tell them to cancel it until Eid, because you're not allowed to take any leave anywhere. It could be Surat or it could be Lucknow or UP. Right.
But this is an online
I'll
class.
get a
They can
reply on
attend the
WhatsApp.
class from anywhere in the world. This is the beauty of
Faisal, no, I'm not allowing you to leave Bombay. You're just new to my parents' world. Hold on. Ashfaq, they don't know you yet. All right. My first exams are in August, right? We call it the T1. I made the old school. So this is the first examination, I'll call it. And after every examination, thanks to Shabana ma'am and her input, we get a week-long holiday. You see, all of you as parents, the entire world of virtual teaching is very different. Children mentally need a break. So we've created, of course, the first initial weeks we can work without it. But after exam, there's enough week-long break plus the holidays, Saturday and Sunday. So you get a 10-day break where an entire detoxification happens. After the first term, all of this will be shared again with you as soon as we create it. You get your regular holidays. It could be Janmashtami, it could be Ganesh Chaturthi, it could be Republic Days. So you get these which are your holidays. Your second examination, which is the first half-yearly examination in October, and then again a proper break that comes in here. We end up a year with the final T2, which is a second periodical. And now we can plan. Last year we thought of giving a later holiday, thanks to all of you. I think Abdul Majid, you had a challenge going up and down. Now it's a proper planned break. We're not going away with the convention. This is my entire 2022 looking like. Hopefully we'll be seeing all of you and the working month, and then we have a final examination in the first week of April. This is a simple program that I'm sharing with you. This will be again shared. And if I answered your holiday, if I answered your breaks, you can make a note of it. This recording, along with the proper forms, will be shared with you. Does it help you? I think we're almost done with the session, right? Yes, a lot of holidays and a lot of vacations. Thank you so much for all the messages. Now I open the floor for your comments, for your feedbacks. I'll be very glad to hear some of the parents share. How was your last year online? What advice you have for us, what feedback you have for us, and I'm always ready. I'll give you my address for donuts and cakes. Maybe I should begin with the most well-traveled parent of our Ashfaq. Can you say hello to everybody? And people are familiar with Ashfaq's quotes. That's Ashfaq for you, right? I hope Mohammed learns how to speak and keeps the camera on from you, Ashfaq. Yeah, please go ahead.
Hello.
Yeah, you can say a few things more, Ashfaq.
No, you just said say hello to everyone, so I said hello.
Okay, we have such parents
अब
also.
सब हिलना है.
Right. But Ashfaq has been very active and I've seen his responses. I'm so glad. Anyone else? Bashir Bhai, would you like to share experience last year with Sakleen and online classes? I quickly want to hear Imran sir, Shamila ma'am, Ghazala ma'am, Aziz sir, please go ahead. Yeah, Bashir Bhai, Bashir Bhai has promised me that he'll also help me coach the children. He's one of the best football players. So yes, Bashir Bhai, please go ahead.
Thank
Will
you.
there
I am
be-
not sure. Hello, am I audible? There's always some problem
you're
with my
audible.
audio system. So I am audible. Yeah, the thing is, like, Daud Bhai, I'm really feel sorry for the students who are in Newton. Now Sakleen is in Newton, if I'm not mistaken. Newton, right? 10th grade.
Yes.
Hello?
Now it's Lincoln.
Lincoln.
Abraham Lincoln.
Sorry? Lincoln. He's going to Lincoln now. He'll be in Lincoln
Yes.
with Abdul Majid Bhai's sons, right?
Yes, absolutely.
Yeah,
And
because they
my
didn't get
daughter
a
as
chance
well.
to,
Yes, and Farhana also. We've got 10 students there. Yes, entire group.
almost. So, like, I wish this pandemic ends soon and they get an opportunity to go to WeWork and interact with the teachers and study there, because it's going to be lifetime memories. So they'll miss that if they didn't go to school. Like last year it went in pandemic, so that was really a bad this thing for them. So I wish this lockdown ends soon and they go to work to WeWork, and it's a total different experience. What I mean
Yes.
to say is, like, studying offline and online is a different experience. So hello.
Yes, Bashir
Hello.
Bhai. Just to answer that, I think the Shamila ma'am asked exactly what you suggested, and it's all on our minds. At least the others have some time to catch up. The Lincolns have
Right.
only 1 year to
Right.
experience the entrepreneurial spirit at WeWork. To assure you, I am in touch with the WeWork CEO Prasad and Isha Kamble, and as soon as we are allowed, especially with children, as soon as its authorities allow us, the first batch that is going to WeWork are the Lincolns. That is my promise to you.
Thank you.
And the moment
Thank
we
you,
get
thank
it, we will make sure we are there. Just
Thank
let
you.
me welcome a couple of new parents, Nakib Bhai and Aziz Khatisa Bhai, because there are two Aziz. I have to mention the entire thing. Welcome. I know, Aziz Bhai quite some time now. He's actually a consultant to Sky Education over coffees, Aziz Bhai, right? Welcome, and you want to have a word, please. Go ahead. Nakib Bhai, want to start, and Aziz Bhai, anyone, please take the lead.
I don't have much to say, but I'm really pleased that we made the leap this year. We were considering it last year. We decided to sit on the fence, and this year we are in here. So I'm looking forward to this. We have a couple of kids. Both are coming into the program for everybody else's knowledge. One is coming into grade 6, and one is coming into grade 5, and one is coming into grade 1. So yeah, we look forward to working with all of you.
Aziz Bhai, thank you so much. I know your kids. I've worked with them. I've taught them, and thank you for the faith in us. And inshallah, hopefully, we'll deliver to the promise and exceed the expectations. Nakib Bhai, want to just say hello to everybody. Assalamu alaikum.
Assalamu alaikum. Hello, everyone. Nice to see all of you all here. Daud Bhai, I was actually asking about the breaks between the classes, not the.
Okay. All right. Thank you so much. So I assume the parents are aware. So we start classes on time at 10, 11, and 12. The reason we do that, it's easier for a parent to keep a track. 10 baje class mein baith jao. The classes end at 45 to 50 minutes. Depending on the teacher, some teachers, I have some teachers who will have to knock at the door and say, classes time up. Yeah, Alfia ma'am, yes, I'm referring to you. And so they will have a 10 minutes to 15 minutes break. Let them go refresh themselves, drink a water, get up from the seats, and join the class again at 11 or 12. So those are the times that we have got.
Can't hear you clearly, Daud Bhai. You have.
I'm sorry. Okay, I'll just request, maybe some of you just, you lost me for a minute. So the classes start at respective time. There's a 10-15 minutes break for them to get up, get something, and come back at 11 or 12 sharp. That's how we expect the students to go. Also, all of you, the new parents and the old ones, Asif Bhai, Afzal, they are some of the people I call upon whenever there is a question, whenever we're going a new direction, taking up. So anyone wants to add up, we'll be very, very glad. Salma ma'am, all the way with her kids.
I
Yamu Sab.
heard
sorry.
everyone getting
Yeah.
so excited about WeWork and everybody wants to have a physical meeting. Though we are in Belgaum, I would urge the entire team this year and push them as well to make the online classes much more interesting so that people don't look at offline that much.
That duly assured that whatever and wherever medium we've given a promise to you, the classes will not lose the academic sheen. That is something that we pride ourselves and work very hard on. And yes, hopefully Daniel, I know him now, will join the Lincoln and we'll look forward. Okay, by the way, it's a public declaration, a promise to the Lincolns where we have done that we are looking at a small outing for them to Bangalore. I'll be pulled back and say, but that's what we have promised you, and hopefully this is what we are looking at, a small few days trip to Bangalore, which will be closer to you for the Lincoln group. That's one area. Asif Bhai, all the other parents who've been part of it, want to just add something. Dr. Mumtaz, I always look upon her. I really want a pediatric opinion on when can we actually start a class, and please be very optimistic, Dr. Mumtaz.
You have already told me, please be optimistic. I have to think about it. See, I think the second wave is coming to an end in Maharashtra. But there are some things like about the third wave and it affecting more, though there are no scientific evidence about it. So maybe the government is planning to open by mid-August or something, maybe August, or they may go till October if nothing happens, if everything is fine, because psychologically a lot of children are suffering. They are getting other diseases like obesity and emotional and these things. So we cannot keep them away from school for a long time. So looking in these into mind, we have to take some decisions, risk versus benefit. So maybe once 50 to 60% of the population is vaccinated, then there would be some chances that the school reopening would be considered, not for very small children, but at least above grade 5. So that is something which we are in talking terms and with the government. Regarding the Golden Sparrow, I think we entered Golden Sparrow and then there was a lockdown, and I think that was a blessing in disguise, because Daud sir, I really want to congratulate you that you and your team have done so much better in online teaching. This cannot be matched with any school, given any school in Bombay, because I meet parents and of other children, and they are all hassled with the online teaching. Children are not understanding, they are so bugged with it. And on the contrary, when I'm telling them, no, I enjoy it because my kids are enjoying, and like there's one-on-one interaction with the teacher. They don't keep the cameras off. There's so much news about other schools I'm hearing that they copy and they do this and all, but this, I did not find this thing in Golden Sparrow group, and like everybody was equally involved, the teacher, the parents and the students. So I think you and your team have done a really great job, and I'm really thankful. I recommended it to many people. They must have contacted you, and I don't know, but if you are expanding, then you can consider this.
Thank you so much, Dr. Mumtaz. I think it's the effort. I would like to add, it's a dream that Danesh, me and Israr sir, we saw together sitting at, working on Sky, and all of us, it's everybody's victory. Parents like you, I thank you so much, Sarfaraz Bhai. I know all the fathers, mothers, all of your involvement have made this possible. Amir, the entire Rizwani families, where I got a feedback that pura saal to log khali cake bana rahe the, kuch painting kar rahe the, padhai to hui nahi. But I think I take it as a compliment. I enjoy your conversations, and yes, I get also, some of you as family friends come back and say, "Kya kiya Daud tumne? Khali bachcho ko khilaya, pilaya, padhaya kahan?" I hope our children are learning. as long as they become mentally very strong. Trust me, there is much more to life than scoring good scores. I say, having said that, we promise that good scores will happen, but it's also about they coming and enjoying. Thank you so much, Dr. Mumtaz. On that, she's the official pediatrician. First visit is free, or maybe 50% for all Golden Sparrow parents. Zarurat nahi pade, I hope that. And but
बढ़ा के 50% कम करने का.
अच्छा ऐसा है. Okay, Shabana ma'am is making note of all the fee structure changes.
I'm with Gujaratis now, you know.
Look at that. Right. So before it goes on, and there are the other Gujarati families, Ghazala ma'am and everyone's listening to us. Thank you so much, everybody. I promise you not to take too much. 1 ghanta maine aapka promise kiya. As you said, your appreciation goes to every single team and teachers, from Shruti ma'am's efforts, Shabana ma'am, Shazia working so hard. It's the team that have created, Aparna ma'am with the arts classes, making people together. I hope to see more team coming in. We'll be there for you. This is a short orientation. We'll have individual sessions on bi-monthly session with teachers where you will get to know them, speak to them. There'll be phone calls where we'll be bothering you, a parent's phone call, feedbacks from us. Please receive our phone calls, and we'll end with Ashfaq raising a hand. Perhaps it's dinner time. Ashfaq, please go ahead.
I am very much convinced with the education part. You can take care of it. But where will be the Eid party?
I can't hear you, Ashfaq. आवाज नहीं आ रही है.
Where's the Eid party?
नहीं, आवाज ही नहीं आ रही है, Ashfaq. Right then. So everybody's invited. Somebody, for me, the biggest community person here is Afzal Qazi from Vignar. So जहां भी ईद पार्टी होगी हम उनको invite कर देंगे. So all of you, once again, Jazakallah khair. Thank you so much for your support, participation. We just started this year, and hopefully with this spirit, we'll enhance the work. And do not, shy away from your criticism also. Sirf अच्छा ही नहीं, कोई अच्छी चीज improve करनी है तो do not hesitate to DM me, to send a message in the group also. It's okay. We are there to, inshallah, grow together. So on that note, anything else, we will end the session. Hopefully, enough online classes. I make sure that 1 hour is enough. We've got 5 minutes. You all can leave at leisure, and we'll end in 5 minutes time. I'm here to listen to any questions or suggestions. Thank you so much. Officially, mangoes can be supplied by Sharif Bhai and Ashfaq Mohammadi, if anybody wants it. Right. So, right. Thank you, everybody. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.